Before entering into this lesson, we should know what is matter and what is material. Matter is nothing but it is a tiny particles. It is made an universe. ஸோ ஒரு மேட்டரில் இருந்து தான் ஒரு யூனிவர்ஸே உருவாகி இருக்கு, ஒரு உலகமே உருவாகி இருக்கு. நம்மளை சுற்றி இருக்கிற ஒவ்வொரு பொருளுமே மேட்டரால் உருவாக்கப்பட்டது. Here we are seeing so many things: pencil, crayons, chalk piece, rubber band, tablet strips, etc. Each has a different property. So each material has its own property. Properties are divided into 5 types. First one, hard and soft, shiny or dull, rough and smooth, flexible or rigid, and waterproof material. Let us see one by one. How can we find the materials are hard and soft? Hard. If the material is hard, it cannot be bent, compressed, and scratched easily. It cannot. முடியாது. Example, brick, bone. இதெல்லாம் என்ன செய்ய முடியாது? Compress ஆகாது, bend ஆகாது. So what is soft? It can be bent. It can be bent, compressed, and scratched easily are called soft materials. Example, foam, clay. These are the things it is soft. Second property is shiny or dull. Materials which reflect the light well are called shiny materials. Example, stainless steel, gold, etc. And dull materials which do not reflect light are called dull materials. Example, paper, candle. These are the things. Understood? Third property is rough or smooth material. Materials which have ups and downs on their surface are called rough material. Example, brick, rock. Same way, smooth materials means materials which do not have ups and downs on their surface are called smooth material. Example, mirror, silk, cloth, etc. Flexible or rigid. Materials which can be bent or stretched easily are known as flexible materials. Example, rubber band, electric wires, cycle tubes, etc. And materials which cannot be bent or stretched easily are known as rigid materials. The property is waterproof. Waterproof means நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் நல்லா தெரியும், waterproof watches, waterproof mobiles, so many things are there. Waterproof means water உள்ள இறங்காது அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுதான் waterproof. Okay. Example, raincoat எடுத்துக்கலாம். Raincoat மழை காலத்துல நம்ம raincoat யூஸ் பண்றோம். எதுக்கு? மழை தண்ணி உள்ள உடம்புல இறங்காம இருக்கிறதுக்காக. So அதுல இருந்து நமக்கு தெரியுது waterproof means it won't pass the water inside. So waterproof means materials do not allow water to pass through them are called waterproof materials. Example, raincoat. Depending upon the object, the images may get vary. So there are of 3 types. One is transparent, translucent, opaque. In transparent object, it allows the light to pass through them. So we can see the clear object. Depending upon the objects, the images may vary. Here, transparent objects allow the light to pass through them. So we can see the objects clearly through transparent objects. Example, air, glass and pure water. Here we are using the glass of pure water. When the light passes through the pure water, it shows the clear image because it is a transparent object. Understood? In translucent, it also allows some light to pass through them. So, we cannot see a object clearly, but in blur. Second one, translucent object. Translucent object, that is vegetable oil, allows some light to pass through them. So we cannot see the objects clearly, but we can see them as a blurred image. When the light sources pass to the vegetable oil, this is the translucent object. This translucent object will emit some light. That's why we can't get the clear image. Opaque object, it does not allow any light to pass through them, so we cannot see any object. Third one is opaque object. Here we are taken as wood scale or wood table. As we learned about opaque objects, if the light sources passed on the wooden object or wooden thing, the light won't pass through inside. Instead of that, it will get a reflex. So it will bounce from the wooden object. This bouncing of light is called a reflection. Understood? Now, these reflections are formed by the light and they are called images. Understood? Okay. I think you might have cleared with this lesson, with this topic. And if any doubt, you can ask through comment. If you like this channel, you can comment, subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.